Ratchet straps are a very handy tool to have, but can be very inconvenient when it comes time to store them. You could use the I deal with it later technique, which is just throw it in a pile and then untangle the mess later. Or I can show you a few techniques for tying them up so they don't tangle into each other. One option is to simply take the tail of the strap and wrap it around the ratchet. Very simple, very quick, not very pretty, but keeps the strap tied up and so all the loose ends don't tangle in with the other straps. In this technique, you make sure the ratchet is about halfway closed and the hook has just enough slack to reach the handle to be hooked onto the handle. And then you take the tail and fold it up however you choose. And you take the tail and fold it up, and then hook the hook back onto the handle and give it a few clicks, which will pull the strap in tight. If you are a little bit OCD or just want to impress your friends, you can do the same technique, making sure the hook is on the bottom and the ratchet is halfway closed, and roll the tail up. When you get to the end, just make sure you leave yourself enough slack to go over the roll onto the handle. Again, ratchet a few times, which will pull the ratchet tight, or pull the hook tight over the tail, and a nice, clean, tidy ratchet strap. Another option is to store the strap and the ratchet separately, which I like to do. Just fold up your strap and then tie it up with these little bungees, and that way next time you go and grab it, nothing is tangled up to each other, and you have a bungee to tie up the tail when you tie down your load in your truck or trailer. You can tie up the tail, the loose ends, so that it doesn't flap in the wind. I hope this helps you keep your garage a little more tidy. Thank you for watching.